Every culture has a word for it. July 7 is International Peace and Love Day. International Peace and Love Day spreads across July 7 with a simple premise. Peace and love are not passive states, but active choices made daily. The Zulu philosophy of Ubuntu teaches that humanity is fundamentally linked. I am because we are. The Japanese concept of Heiwa means aligning oneself to the common good. The Hebrew shalom translates to a wholeness that arises from justice. Different words, the same direction. International Kissing Day is one day earlier on July 6th, the intimate, close-range expression of the same impulse, and Global Forgiveness Day also falls July 7, making today a 2-for-1. Who do you want to send peace and love to today? Start there.